And there's like that one over there. Shelter. We just gotta like get this down.
Cameron, let me put these sticks.
We're gonna try to get it ready.
Ow! There's swords. Time to leave. To the hotel for the night. Finally, after like a 12-hour drive. Heavy. Now that we're off the hill. Riding in the cart, packing our luggage. Okay, so yeah, we're just out here in the ocean chilling, and these little girls next to us are scaring the crap out of me because they're like, look at this! It's a sandbar. Look at this! It's just a fish. It's a catfish, but it's just tiny fish. And Jacob said there was a stingray. I'm terrified. We're gonna die. I think it's all fun and games, but really it's terrifying. And my camera's gonna be shiny and attract sharks. I'm so scared.
Throwing knife, throwing knife.